This is Subhanallah chalk art, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's hop right in. You will need cardstock. You will need a printed form of the calligraphy that you would like to trace or transfer. Ideally something, because we're going to use chalk to color, so some table mat or something that you don't mind getting dirty. Glue, and that's it, and chalk. Now there's many ways to get the calligraphy onto here. We have printed it on here. It might be hard to see, but it's there. Basically, you want to outline to trace with the glue. You can either like transfer it with graphite, you can draw it freehand by looking at a template, however you want to do it, just get the calligraphy onto the black cardstock. Next step, take your glue and start outlining your calligraphy. Geez, being left-handed is not ideal here. So now you want to let this dry overnight. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
It's all dry.
It's tomorrow. I sat here waiting all night, but it's for a good cause. And once you've let that dry, you can start the fun part, which is coloring. Now, I am no master of color theory, but I don't think black is a good idea to use. Is that right? That's right.
Dig in.
All right, so here's what I'm thinking. I think I'm going to use this color. I like the look of it. And I'm going to do like a circle in the middle, and I'm going to color this in. And then around the outsides, I'm going to do this color, which I've been told is peach, which I thought was a fruit. The good part is even if you hit the glue, it wipes right off. So don't worry too much about it. So right around the letters, I'm going to color this color. What is it? Is it purple?
It's a light blue.
I'm going to color this light blue. All right, we're switching it up, everybody. Blue. Is this blue? And I'm going to do this side of the Subhanallah. Now you might be thinking, this does not look very refined, Brother Hassan. You would be correct. You might also be thinking, from a professional artist like yourself, which I'm not, but I understand the confusion. We would expect it to be a little bit more, strategic. You just wait. Now we go for the peach. Okay, and now the final touches before smearing everything. Some white on the very corners. And now, I'm going to start from the outside, smear a little bit, work my way towards the peach. Can God really answer that dua that you made? The huge dua, you would say, Subhanallah. God can answer any dua. So God is above this sort of statement. Then you would use Subhanallah. Wow. This is way harder than origami.
Wait, what?
Subhanallah. And that is my Subhanallah chalk art.